this question we address three important operations associated with stack. First is push, which inserts an element on the top of a stack. Pop, which removes an element from the top of the stack. And top, which does not remove from the top, but it returns the top of the element. So let us now try to execute this operation. So this operation is 2 pushes and then top, followed by 3 pops and then push and then finally top. So once we execute push 20, so we see that this element comes at the bottom of the stack, and then 4 comes afterwards. After the top operation, 4 is actually returned, but it still remains in the stack, and then 3 pops in execution. 4 is removed and then 20 is removed, and finally when an empty stack is executed with pop, empty value is returned, which is called stack underflow. And then afterwards push is executed, which means that 5 is again goes in the bottom of the stack, and once the finally top is executed, 5 is returned. But remember that 5 is still there in the stack. So the correct answer is this.